I'm barely touching it. All I'm doing is just bringing it up to this, as you can see, glassy, smooth consistency. Look at that. I mean, assistants chairside could do this at a doctor's office after they've done a chairside reline or have done adjustments on a denture and want to bring it up to that nice consistency. Sometimes patients come into a dental practice looking to have their a tooth replaced, and then when they get that tooth replaced or repaired, a lot of times the practice will clean up the denture, and this is an ideal product for on-the-spot cleaning. And again, you can see, I mean, there is no doubt about it that there is a beautiful, it's not messy, a beautiful surface that you're going to get with that.